up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para naman ma-notify ka if meron tayong bagong release na video. For today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng another tutorial. Tuturuan ko kayo ulit kung paano mag-Pasaload sa Smart and Talk Context. So this is an alternative way. Different to sa ginawa kong tutorial before. I made this video kasi I've been receiving some comments from some of my viewers na hindi gumagana sa kanila yung ginawa nating tutorial before. Ito, lots but po kapag nakakaganyan po ako, not enough balance daw po pero may balance naman po ako, 50 regular. Well, I'm not sure kung network problem lang ba yun or kung anong problema bakit hindi gumagana sa kanila yung unang tutorial, but you can try this alternative way na ituturo ko sa inyo. So, let's start. Tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.